हमारे पास जीता जागता एग्जाम्पल है, एक्टिंग का भंडार है सामने
That's so
हमारी।
true.
फ्रॉम टीवी टू वेयर ही इज टुडे, आई मीन आई, विक्रांत हो गया।
Because everyone's entitled to their opinion, you know.
Yes.
So as much as I'm entitled to mine, the other person's also entitled to their opinion. Whether I agree or not is an entire ball game altogether. And I am someone who believes that we should healthily agree to disagree, and I would rather leave it at that.
Yes.
बट इफ यू नो कि ये बंदा बस वेलेपन में बोलता जा रहा है, तो आप भी कहते हो हाँ ठीक है, बोल लो। मैं सुन ही नहीं पा रही।
Koimoi.com.
Crystal D'Souza in one of her interviews said that one of her directors, when she was debuting in the OTT section, told her that don't overact. And she was like, it's the music that creates the drama and not the acting. So what do you guys think about this notion of television actors on the big screen?
First of all, who is this person who's made this statement? Because I think that's so wrong on so many levels.
Yes.
I mean, personally, I feel you can, have a brilliant director and perform really well, or a brilliant director can have a very ordinary actor and still derive a great performance. I think it's all teamwork. You can't blame one person for it. And yeah, to make such a statement, I think it says more about the other person than it says about her work. She's a beautiful
That's
girl
so
and she
true.
should be
Yes.
proud of the work she's put up. That's it. I mean, I honestly don't even want to dignify this with a response.
Yes. For you, Vikrant?
I don't know, यार. I don't know. I mean, मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ इस बारे में?
हमारे पास जीता जागता एग्जाम्पल है, एक्टिंग का भंडार है सामने
That's so
हमारी।
true.
फ्रॉम टीवी टू वेयर ही इज टुडे, आई मीन आई, विक्रांत हो गया, सवाल का जवाब सामने बैठा है हमारे।
Oh my God.
No, thanks, Kate,
Huh.
thanks. But honestly, I don't know. I really don't know what to say to this because I think it's a collaborative effort.
Yeah.
I think an actor eventually does what he's asked to do, and I think it is always the director who's leading, who's navigating most importantly. तो
Yeah,
मैं
because
आज
he has to say action and cut, ना? अगर वो cut बोल
हाँ.
के बोलेंगे one more, even if you think you performed brilliantly, if your director wants one more, he will take one more, and eventually the cut that he wants to stay, like to keep in the film, he's going to use that.
Yes. That's so true. But those
Right?
comparisons
ऐसे ही
keep
होता है।
happening. End of the day, those comparisons are inevitable और वो होते रहेंगे.
हाँ वो होता रहेगा यार। I mean,
होते रहने दो,
उसका क्या
तुम
कर
अपना
सकते हैं?
दिमाग क्यों खराब कर रहे हो? होते रहने
उसका बहुत कुछ हो सकता है, there are
हाँ.
so many ways to sort of say one similar thing. I think to each his own. Now, I don't know. I really don't know.
Before I let you guys go, tell me, how do you take unfair criticism? How do you react to that? Do you let it get into your head? How do you process unfair criticism?
Unfair criticism.
Yes.
I think it's I as a person naturally I love constructive criticism.
Yes.
Well, I think it acts as a fuel for my work and my personality as a whole. Unfair होती है कभी-कभी चीजें, but then you really don't want to take these things to heart. Neither do you want to go out and sort of share your peace of mind because everyone's entitled to their opinion.
Yes.
So as much as I'm entitled to mine, the other person's also entitled to their opinion. Whether I agree or not is an entire ball game altogether. And I am someone who believes that we should healthily agree to disagree, and I would rather leave it at that.
That's true. But how do you differentiate that?
It totally depends. It totally depends from person to person. I like constructive criticism. I like imbibing things which probably will help me grow as a person and as an artist. And that's about it. There are so many points of views कि अगर सारे points of views पे तवज्जो देने लग जाएंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं खुद का ही दिमाग खो जाएगा आपका, तो वो आप नहीं कर सकते. You really need to back yourself. I am very proud of the things that I've done. I'm very proud of the things that I'm doing. And it's a tightrope. तो कभी-कभी unfair हो जाती है चीजें, but then you really cannot take things to heart. I'm also fairly thick-skinned in that matter of fact. I think I back myself more than anyone else with regards to मतलब what I think of myself or what I think of my work is primarily more attuned to what I think and rather than what other people are telling me. If it is unfair, I leave it at that. I really don't let anything sort of bog me down to an extent.
That's amazing. For you, Kriti?
I think the opinion of others can matter to you only if that person matters to you. And if it is someone who you look up to and admire and know that they're coming from the right place, then it's constructive criticism.
Yes.
But if you know कि ये बंदा बस वेलेपन में बोलता जा रहा है, तो आप भी कहते हो हाँ ठीक है, बोल लो, मैं सुन ही नहीं पा रही. मतलब it's very easy, यार. I mean, you just have to
Yes.
be, like Vikrant said, you need to learn to back yourself. And at the end of the day, आपने खुद के साथ जीना है. अगर आप खुश हो तो कोई आपके बीच में नहीं आ सकता. अगर आप खुश नहीं हो तो छोटी छोटी बातें आपको bother करेंगी.
That's
So it's about what you let, you know, I can't let what somebody else's opinion of me is change who I am. And if I feel someone who I love and admire, maybe even if I don't know the person personally, but I know that person comes from a ton of experience and maybe what he or she is making sense, it can never be unfair criticism because it's coming from a good place and I'm accepting it in a good space. So it's very simple, both black and white. There's no gray area here.
Koimoi.com